guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to recolor a PNG file using Silhouette Studio and cut your design from vinyl of different colors. For that, we need Designer or Business Edition of the app. On design bundles or Etsy, you may often find very cute monocolor designs. But what if I like to make them colorful? That's easy, and I'll show you. First, let's pick the design. And you can also have it for free from my Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description. And it's also a part of a bundle which you can find in my store. And it's also linked below. The file opens in a very large size. Let's click the lock and put in the size we want, say 2 inches. Now I'm gonna say something very important. Make sure you activate Autotrace. You may find it in Edit, Preferences, Import, Autotrace. The box should be checked. If it wasn't and you've just checked it, you may want to reopen the file once again to make sure it works. Now we go to Modify panel and press Divide. Now the design is divided into separate pieces and we can recolor them. I select the ones I need and choose the color. To select several pieces, just hold Shift. Now we may start cutting. I prefer cutting all the colors in one go, so I place fragments of different colors a little aside from each other. Let's use selection by color. For that, I go to Panels, Select by Color. If there are some unrecolored parts, they will show up as no color, so you just fill them with any color you like. Now we select every color group and move it. And we're ready to cut. I use clear transfer tape. It helps to remove excess pieces of vinyl without ruining small letters. If you have any questions regarding Silhouette Studio or Cricut Design Space, please leave them in comments below, and I'll be happy to help you. And don't forget to join my Facebook group for some weekly free designs. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in next video. Bye bye!